Jacob.
Here.
Oh, that doesn't look safe. Is that your slam dunk? Try pounding again.
Huh?
Try pounding again.
Yeah.
Yay! Slam dunk. Maybe we should get you a basketball thing.
Shortest man in the NBA.
Cheeky, make another go. Oh boy. Jakey. What are you doing? Are you just
I hope you didn't
stunned?
scratch your head on like a nail or something.
Tiki. Don't yell at me. He's like, how many times do I have to do that? Don't get mad. Get glad. Take that ball and make another goal. Oh, Daddy didn't make it. Excuse you. You're such a man. Alright, Jakey. Say hi. Say hi to your fan club.
Hi.
Jakey, say hi.
Hi.
Hi to your fan club. Good job.